In 1962, a British prison held a man who refused to be caged. George Blake, master spy and soon-to-be escape artist, had a plan that would shake the very foundations of security. For weeks, Blake trained his body to endure hours of stillness, measuring every inch of the prison's mail crate. His mind raced with possibilities, each thought a key to potential freedom. With an accomplice's help, Blake sealed himself inside the crate. As guards loaded it, his heart raced, but he remained silent. Every sound, every movement could betray him. Hours passed in darkness, each bump and turn a test of will. Blake's world shrunk to the size of the crate, his breath the only sound in his wooden prison. Finally, fresh air. The crate opened. Blake emerged, reborn into freedom. He vanished without a trace, outwitting his captors for decades. What would you sacrifice for such a daring escape?